In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message contacts in Gohighlevel. If you need to send a direct message to one of your contacts inside Gohighlevel, this process is very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can create a conversation and send your message without confusion. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to work. Once you're on the main dashboards, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for different tools and features. From that menu, click on Conversations. This area is where Gohighlevel keeps your messages, inbox activity, and communication history with contacts. If you've used email, SMS, or chat inside the platform before, this is the section where those interactions are organized. After the Conversations page opens, click on the chat icon. This will bring up the option to begin a new messaging thread. Then click on Start a New Conversation. This is the action that tells the system you want to create a fresh conversation instead of opening an existing one. Next, choose Message Contacts. This option is specifically for sending a message directly to someone already stored in your contacts. After that, select the conversation you want to have. In other words, choose the type or direction of the interaction you're about to begin so Gohighlevel can set it up correctly. Then select the contact you want to message. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct person, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Once the contact is selected, choose the chat type. This step is important because it determines the communication channel you'll use, such as the available messaging option connected to that contact. After everything is filled in, click Create Conversation. Gohighlevel will open the new thread for you, and from there you can begin typing your message. Keep your message clear and professional, especially if this is your first outreach to that contact. A short, direct message is usually best when starting the conversation. Once you finish typing, click Send. Your message will then be delivered through the selected chat type, and the conversation will remain in your conversations area so you can come back to it later, continue the discussion, or track replies. And that's how to message contacts in Gohighlevel. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick workflow for staying in touch with leads, clients, and team-related communications inside the platform.